Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video newsletter, I wanted to start off here with Robinhood. So we'll keep my opinions of them as a broker to the side for now, but you know that at the heart of what I bring you in most of my setups is a mature squeeze. And that is a squeeze that has at least 3 to 5 bars of compression, and through this venue, I'm usually looking at that on a daily chart. That is because it will give you a little more time to get the trade set up, right? If I'm bringing you a 5 or a 15-minute squeeze, it could very well have run its course by the opening gap tomorrow. But when I show you a daily squeeze, it's going to take weeks for this to play out, and it's something that I hope I can help you get positioned for to the buy side. A couple of things that we've seen here recently. During the holidays, we have pretty low volume, so not ascribing too much to that. But the last of the larger volume days was made on a spot that I think we can define our risk against. This is unique because we move up into a fresh new high. They're at 43.83. Then anybody that bought that, I have to think, especially if you buy it aggressively in an unplanned way, buying that new high will usually stop you out by the time that you get the flush to 34.02. So that low that was made there on the 20th, I think is the good spot to follow against. If we get a daily close below that, well then at least the short-term approach of buying this is incorrect, and I would not want to stick with that. Also, if you are a more conservative trader, watch this closely, because I believe there will be a moment when you are above the 786 retracement that there will be an easier trade to be made into the old swing high. As we evaluate this previous 43.83 down into here, below the 618 is a spot that the product can fail. Now we did have one day that closed above, but remember I want to treat these as zones. They can be precise, but essentially this is the area that Robinhood needs to clear. If tomorrow you can get another shifting bar of this histogram, which is to say you have rising momentum on the daily chart and close above that, well then I think this starts to look better. If it needs to take its time, well then of course having the earnings out here on the horizon could be a catalyst in the months ahead. So I believe that is a daily chart that is worth your time, worth reviewing the setup. And I also thought I might throw in Rocket Lab here, because for as much as I spend, again, a lot of my time looking at the Mag 7s and squeezes, some of those are kind of out of rotation right now, like Google and Meta just simply aren't setting up. So I look for things like Robinhood or Rocket Labs here, where this has come in a little bit. Again, not telling you that I have a great view of this tomorrow, but if you can give it 6 to 8 weeks, I think we're looking at Rocket Lab up here around the 32.5. And there's another I wanted to throw in with you as you have this mature squeeze. So I hope that adds some constructive names to your watch list. You guys have a great first Friday of 2025, and I hope to see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.